A lot of the models I work with in my videos are text generation models, but there's a whole area in visual AI models, video generation, image generation, that is really interesting and making a lot of progress. I'm sure if you've looked on Twitter or YouTube, any kind of social media, I'm sure you've seen these AI videos, for better or worse, but there are clearly some use cases for video generation models. So it's a topic I'd like to dive deeper on, but in today's video, I'm just going to be taking a quick test of a couple of the most popular AI video generation platforms out right now. These have all been out for a while, but first look for me. And perhaps at another time, I'll go into more of a deep dive on specific video generation models. But for today, we're going to be comparing HeyGen, DID, and Colossyan. We're just going to be kind of playing with their AI avatar generation. But first, let's take a look at the pricing and the models for each of these. So first is HeyGen, which you've probably heard of. They have different pricing tiers, obviously. We're going to be trying out the free trials for all three of these. And with the free trial, you get 3 videos a month and 1 custom avatar, which is what we're going to be making. And they have their own proprietary models called Avatar 3, 4, 5. And they use latent diffusion fine-tuned on high-resolution video for poor-level facial detail. Avatar 4's audio-to-expression engine reads vocal tone and rhythm to drive micro-expressions. And Avatar 5 is a transformer with sparse reference self-attention, so no per-identity fine-tuning is required. DID gives you a 14-day free trial, no credit card needed, only the core features, and it has watermarks on everything, obviously. DID uses live portrait under the hood, and this is a hybrid of Weavy to frame vision transformers and motion field diffusion. You can see their full pricing here. Certain levels get you a certain amount of credits, which would equal certain lengths of videos. Colossyan is the last one, and the free tier gives you 3 minutes of video per month and 20 stock avatars. Under the hood, they use Neo, which is neural expressive output. It's tuned for richer micro expressions, brows, blinks, asymmetric smiles. And once again, you can see the pricing, depending on your use level. You can see a side-by-side comparison here. We're going to be trying out the free tier on all 3 of these. And the goal here is just to take an image. We're going to be using a realistic version of my avatar, my PFP, and trying to make it talk as a video generation. And I think we're going to be trying, some of these have voice cloning features, so we'll try some of the voice cloning as well. And this is literally my first time touching these things, so please forgive me for not being very skilled at it, but today's video will just be kind of a first look at them, and then later on we can go into more of a deep dive. Okay, let's get started. So first we're going to need a base image, realistic human-looking image, to create our avatars and test out the different avatar AI video producers. So I'm now in Weavy, which is a visual AI platform. It was recently bought by Figma. I found it pretty good for when I'm trying to produce image models. You can find it at app.weavy, weavy.ai. So you get some free credits every month to test it out, but I found it really the best option for creating images. And you can see the models here. It's designed similar to Figma. You can add prompts, you can add file images. They have a lot of image models. Flux is the main one. You can see they have GBT image, different models here. Stable diffusion. But we're going to try Flux 2 Pro, because that's the one I've had most success with. So just to give us our base image, we're going to use my profile picture for On-Chain AI Garage that you are probably familiar with, and I'm going to give it a prompt to try to create an image of a human that will match my voice, but has some of the characteristics of this character that a friend of mine drew. So the prompt is going to be create a realistic human avatar of a white male in his early 40s with a muscular frame and a blue hoodie. Give him some characteristics of the character in the image, but do not make him like a cartoon. He should have a trusting, kind look about him, like a professor or a coach. Transparent background, the blue hoodie should be plain. His image to match a voice that is deep and a bit husky, as my voice has been described. So we just connect these to the Flux 2 model and do run model. and we will see what we get here. And using each of these models costs a certain amount of credits. The Flux 2 Pro is 5 credits per image, but you get, I think, 150 credits per month, free credits just for signing up. So it's worth playing around if you're interested in this stuff. I've made a lot of pretty good logos and original images using this. There we go. There's the image. It looks realistic. Kind of a little bit silly, but we'll go with that. The long hair. So that's going to be our base image. I think we're going to use this one. Maybe I'll mess around with this a little bit, so maybe the image will be different, but it's going to look like something like that. It looks human. You can see he's got some stubble, some laugh lines for being early 40s. So we're going to use this and then go, I think first we're going to try HeyGen. So this is HeyGen. We are going to try to create an avatar. You just sign up with your Google account or whatever, your email. And we should have some free credits or some free video on the free tier. So we're just going to try uploading the photo of the avatar. And we will try to create a video. Okay. We have the avatar ready. What do you want to name your avatar? Just call it Tombi. Age, early middle age. Gender, male, white. We have to choose a voice. Can we voice clone this on the free tier? Upload audio or video file around 2 minutes. Okay, so I'm gonna upload probably this video, just the audio, so that I can use my actual voice. Okay, so now it's trying to clone my voice. It's picking a couple different options, I guess. You see if you can hear them. We got a couple options here. Let's see, this is from 11 Labs.
A great voice clone should sound clear, energetic, and just like you. Close your eyes. Does it sound like you talking? If you like what you hear, let's make your first video. Hi, I'm excited.
I don't know. Does that sound like me? It's hard to be objective about your own voice. This is from Starfish.
On preview, take a quick listen. A great voice clone should sound clear, energetic, and just like you. Close your eyes. Does it sound like you talking? If you like what you hear, let's make your first video. Hi, I'm excited.
I think that's a little bit closer, probably. Still a little AI-esque, but that's kind of unavoidable. This is the last one from Fish.
I'm excited you're here. This is your voice clone preview. Take a quick listen. A great voice clone should sound clear, energetic, and just like you.
Sorry, that's a bit loud. So I think between the bottom two, Starfish or Fish.
Excited you're here. This is your voice clone preview. Take a quick listen. Close your eyes. Does it sound like you talking? If you like what you hear, let's make your first video.
So let's try Starfish. Use this voice. That saved my voice clone. Close enough, I think. Let's try making a video. We're in the AI studio here, where we enter the script, choose your avatar and voice, and preview the video here, and then generate it. Okay, let me write a quick script. We're only going to do like a 20-second intro, and then see if that works. So you may not be able to read this, it's a little bit small, but the script is going to be what you heard in the intro. So on this channel, I usually talk while showing my screen, but in this video, I decided to step in front of the camera because we'll be exploring AI video tools. I'll be comparing several major AI video generation tools to see which can create the best realistic AI avatar for me. Let's get started. So they have different backgrounds here. I just want like a basic office kind of setup. Okay, doesn't look very realistic with just that on it, but I guess that's good enough. And then let's see.
Talk while showing my screen, but in this video I decided to step in front of the camera because we will be exploring AI video tools. I will be comparing several major AI video generation tools to see which can create the best realistic AI avatar for me. Let's get started.
Okay. The voice clone's pretty good. So it's gonna preview your avatar speaking the script. If you don't change anything, we'll use it for the final video. But I think that's it to render the scene. So it's rendering now based on that script. So I'm obviously using a free tier, and if you have a paid version, there's a lot more options, a lot of ways you can customize it. But I think this will give us a decent first look at what these tools can do.
I usually talk while showing my screen, but in this video I decided to step in front of the camera because we will be exploring AI video tools. I will be comparing several major AI video generation tools to see which can create the best realistic AI avatar for me. Let's get started.
So it looks kind of weird just because the face is way too big and the background it doesn't match the background, but it actually looks pretty realistic. Yeah, let's try this one more time.
So on this channel, I usually talk while showing my screen, but in this video, I decided to step in front of the camera because we will be exploring AI video tools. I will be comparing several major AI video generation tools to see which can create the best realistic AI avatar for me. Let's get started. So
Yeah, I mean that's not bad. Obviously, the dimensions are kind of weird because the face is way too large and the background doesn't match it, but the lip sync actually looks pretty good. So this is DID, and we're gonna try to create a personal avatar with a photo. So let's try with the first one that I had. Okay, so I had to remake it a little bit in Weavy. For some reason, the original ones I was using wasn't working. But this is the image we got, and this one is working. So we're in their own studio here. I uploaded my audio. Okay, so I just added the audio file of the same type of speech. Should I try to do a background here? Background gallery. I don't know. He has a transparent background, so remove the background. Okay, that looks better. Background, something like an office. Yeah, the backgrounds kind of always look weird, but I think that's my skill issue, not the software's. So I guess we just generate it. PID test. Okay, it finished generating fairly quickly, so let's see what we got. So on this channel, I usually talk while showing my screen, but in this video I decided to step in front of the camera because we'll be exploring AI video tools. I'll be comparing several major AI video generation tools to see which can create the best realistic AI avatar for me. Let's get started. So what do you think of that one? I don't know, I think the HeyGen was a little bit more realistic. Something weird about the mouth area here, but that may just been because we're using a different picture. The last one we're trying here is Colossyan, and I just signed up for a free account, and we're gonna try the instant avatar using this. I don't know if I could use my voice. Create custom voice, upload audio. Let's try that. Okay, so I just tried to do the voice clone using my microphone. I just did the same little clip that I had before in the opening. So it says it's there. Let's see. Get this girl out of here. Not sure how to remove the background from this though. Okay, there may be a way to remove the background, but I don't know how to do it right now. So we'll just see how it looks. There's probably an easier way to remove the background, but let's just see how realistic the actual talking looks. Okay, took a while for it to generate, but let's see what we got here.
So on this channel, I usually talk while showing my screen, but in this video, I decided to step in front of the camera because we will be exploring AI video tools. I'll be comparing several major AI video generation tools to see which can create the best realistic AI avatar for me. Let's get started.
I don't know why I became British midway through. There was supposed to be a voice clone of my actual like voice recording, but midway I become British for some reason.
So I'll be comparing several major AI video generation tools.
Yeah. So the voice cloning is not quite great, but the video quality is not
So on this
bad.
channel, I usually talk while showing my screen, but in this video, I decided to step
Now, obviously, it would look better if I could get the background to come off, but
in front of the camera because we will be exploring AI video tools. I'll be comparing several major AI video generation tools to see which can create the best realistic AI avatar for me.
it looks pretty good, I would say, actually. The actual lip sync, the mouth doesn't look weird like we saw previously. Okay, I can't figure out how to remove the background, but the actual video generation quality is pretty good, I would say, from Colossyan. You can compare that with this one. So on this channel, I usually talk while showing my screen, but in this video, I decided to step in front of the camera because we will be exploring AI video tools. I'll be comparing several major AI video generation tools to see which can create the best realistic AI avatar for me. So that was from HeyGen, and then we have this one.
So on this channel, I usually talk while showing my screen, but in this video, I decided to step in front of the camera because we will be exploring AI video tools. I'll be comparing several major AI video generation tools to see which can create the best realistic AI avatar for me. Let's get started.
So put aside the fact that my voice becomes British for some reason in the middle of this one. I think it's slightly better than HeyGen. Something with the hair. Maybe it's because this one's zoomed in more, though. This one's a little bit farther back, so you don't notice that issue. But something about the speaking here looks better. In any case, that's a little comparison we have of a couple of the tools. HeyGen, DID, and then Colossyan. A lot of interesting free and reasonably priced AI video generation tools out there. So I'll keep playing. This was just me kind of testing out the different videos, and they do a pretty good job very quickly to generate from custom avatars. So that's going to be it for today's video. Please like, please subscribe, leave a comment if you like. What other video generation AI tools are you using or interested in? And I'll see you in the next video.